Okay, the next question is question 16, SMKM 2019, paper 1. Okay, in diagram 8, AE and BD are two towers on a horizontal plane. Given that AE and BC, let's say AE and BC is 1/2 of CD. AE. Oh, it's 1/2. So this is 1 and this is 1. If BC is 1, is half of CD. So this one will be half. So this will be 2. Alright? The angle of elevation of D from E. This is actually very important from E. What you need to do is that you draw an eye, look to the front, then only your eye elevates up. Okay, so it's like that, and this will be 38, this will be 90, and what is this? 90 will be 60, 52. Okay, so you have 15. So find the height in M of the tower BD. They want this whole thing. Okay, what we need to do is that we need to find the triangle first. Okay, of course you have the 15M here, and then you have 38 degree here. You can actually find the height here. Okay, by how? So normally you will use tangent. 38 is equals to the opposite over 15. So your O will be 15 times tangent 38. Okay, so 15 tangent 38, it will be 11.72. okay, 11.72. so this is 11.72, of which is 2 part. I'm going to do the cross multiplication part. So if it's in the ratio of 2, you are 11.72. What if it's 3, which is 2 plus 1, 3? So this is what we call the cross multiplication. So cross multiplication means that you take 3 times 11.72 divided by this number. Okay, so this multiplied by 3 divided by 2, your answer will be 17.579. 579 is 58. So let's see. Yes, the answer is B. Okay, number 16 is the question of bearing. In diagram 8, R is due east. R is due east of P. Also, this is east. P, R is east. So you need to draw the north part, which is this. This is north. Okay, and it's due, and Q is due south. Right, so this is south. This part is south. Okay, the bearing of R, from Q is 80. So this is Q, which means that when it goes like that, this will be 80 degree. Okay, just see the bearing. The bearing will move clockwise from the north. Okay, so find the bearing of Q from R. So whenever you see the from R, draw the north as well. So you have to follow this line as well. This line as north. Okay, so they want Q from R, so you have to move clockwise, and they want to find this. How big is this? Okay, so we have 80, here is 90, here is 10, here is 90, so this is 100. Okay, so what I need to do is that I need to take the whole thing, 360 minus 90 minus 10. And your answer will be 260, and this is the answer. Okay, number 18. P, 18 north, and 10, E and Q are 2 points on the surface of the earth. Q is due south of P. Alright, so you know, when I read this kind of question, what is best for me is that you need to draw the diagram. So I'm going to draw the earth, a big round circle, you know, with this equator and the Greenwich. So where is 18 north? North is on the top part, 10 east is here. So I can just imagine that this is P. 18 north, 10 east. And Q are 2 points on the surface, so I do not know where is Q. Q is due south of P. Oh, so it's south. So south will go down here. Okay, the difference in latitude between P and Q is 62 degrees. Oh, okay, so the difference over here is 62. So what I need to do is that I draw a straight line. So if P here is 18 north, 10 east, what you need to do is that you have to move 62 degrees down. So from 18 here, there must be a 0 here, okay? So you take 62 minus 18. 62 minus 18, you will get 44. So your Q will be 44. Instead of north now, it becomes south. And this is the longitude will be the same. Okay, find the location of Q. So I have 44, this one, and 10 east. Yes, the answer is C. Thank you for watching.